These are the sockets you need. 23, 19, a three forking work, 3/4, and big drive extension, breaker bar. This is all you need. Pull this bolt right here. This one, this two. The reason why you need an extension, because when you put this socket on this right here, extend it and put it right here. So it's much more easy to pull. Because right here ain't got no space. Can't put no tool behind here. Look, cannot fit. That's the problem. Remove these two bolts. Remove this one on the lower control arm. This one on the lower control. Crack this one. This is a 19. It's a 19 wrench. This one, because this right here won't fit behind here. So you got to use this and put it and brace it this way. That's it. Pull this and the other one. 23. So 23 right here. Use 23 with it. Right here. Don't got a breaker bar, use a wrench, put it on, and pull. Pull. Going back. Smarter. Extension. Right here. Pull it. The bolt. Want some problem? Careful. Ready? Mm-hmm. Use the hammer and break right here. This is what happens when your control arm is bad. Not supposed to be like this. Real bad. It's caused to damage your car tires and everything. Shake the front end on the car. Yes, all of them is bad. This right here. Hear that noise? That means it's bad. Give me the other control. New one. Always remember to remove the screw. Take out this plastic. Look, it's firm. Look at this. Easy. You hear that? Listen. It's firm. It's okay. It's okay too. So this, always remember to put on like this. Prevent the ball joint from shifting. Bushing. So always remember to put on like this. Just like this. Easy how it goes. This is how you do it. Job look easy, but it's not. Always trying to catch this part first. Use the wrench. Pull on this straight. That's it. Put the nut underneath it. Put that first. Put the nuts, because if you don't do it like that, you're gonna have a problem. Okay, gonna catch about this bolt. Always get your bigger one first. This right here. Flathead screwdriver, put in the hole. See that? That. This is the long bolt. Do not use a sharp bolt. Ain't gonna work. Don't mix the bolt up. Here's the armor. Just talk on it a little bit. It's right here. So, fine ready. Look, it's coming up. Before you tighten it, make sure you catch this side now. There are two nuts, one big, one small. You have to see, hold it. Online. Both gonna give you a problem. Hit it.